I notice this a lot, it's a challenge for me too. I sculpt my mental base mesh. Then I look from the side and these parts seem off. I don't know what happened, it's like I forgot how to do it. I think it's just a result of sculpting from only one angle. That's where we learned the most and forgot the rest. So we'll try to make it even more elegant given that the leg shape already tapers. It's very beautiful, right? Tapered forms are naturally beautiful. And then it stops at the knee, which is okay. But these symmetrical curves, the contrast is too strong in them. I could argue that it's anatomically incorrect too. However, if it were the shape of these boots, it would hide the anatomy. So it's hard to say it's incorrect because of the anatomy. Now we've got to think about the abstraction of these forms. Imagine a curve that appears only in our subconscious, instead of a bunch of curves breaking and changing directions. If we can somehow manipulate all these curves to look like just one, it's much better. And since we're talking about the human body, we also associate it with sensuality and other things, right? It's not just a curve in the middle of nowhere. So I'm going to try to apply this. In characters like these, the legs are usually very long and thin anyway. I believe it was the artist's inspiration initially. But when we start adding a lot of muscles and shape to them, it clashes with the aspect of being very long. I think it's worth closing them a bit. And I will rotate here at the knee. Normally, the knee and the foot point in the same direction. That's why I placed the mask on the knee and not just on the foot. Now that I've rotated the leg, it lost its rotation. But I'll fix it for you. Here, once again, I can discuss anatomy objectively. But I prefer to think about how the shapes have a rhythm between them. So a curve that continues and doesn't break is more beautiful than a curve that stops and does this and that. And I think this is true even if they have the same structure. So any curve that continues implies an acceleration because our eyes follow it, right? A curvature like this has less acceleration, right? So here it slows down and speeds up. All of this stimulates our visual system differently, and we understand this as beauty or composition. But again, our raw internal experience is much simpler than that. Anatomy is just a map, not the territory. The territory are the curves and all the abstractions. We use anatomy to know that if I want to add volume to this area, that it has a name, for example. Then I manipulate this form, and at that point it has nothing to do with anatomy anymore. It's purely design. For now, please try to focus on all these curvatures and forms.